Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darshan and today I'm gonna share my experience with you guys about my brand new M1 Mac and the AirPods I got with it for free, and also I will share with you all the details that how I got my new M1 MacBook Air with a great discount. And let's just jump into the video. So first of all, I want to share a story with you guys about how I got this Mac and why I got it. I do a freelancing in Android development and WordPress development. So for that, mainly for Android, I need a powerful machine which can handle the emulators and the testing stuff and the overall composition of an app, which is quite heavy processing task. And for that I need a good laptop which has high processing capabilities, and that's why I bought this laptop for me. And I'm working as a freelancer from last 1 year, and I bought this laptop from my own earnings, that whatever I've earned from the freelancing and my other investments and overall whatever I've collected for all these years. So this is a combined effort of whatever I've worked for all these years. It's quite expensive product and not everyone needs it in the starting of their career. So I'm gonna tell you that I have not started my journey with this machine directly. I have bought 2 other laptops before this. My first laptop was a second-hand laptop which was from Lenovo, and I bought it from the local store of my city. So I started my journey from that laptop, and from then I have upgraded to a second-hand MacBook, which was a MacBook Pro of 2012 model. I worked on it hard for a year, and then when I needed more processing power and more efficiency in my work, for my client work, for my self-development in the Android and overall programming world, and then I have decided to buy it. So if you are a student who is watching this video, you don't need to start your journey directly with this machine. You can start with whatever you have, or you can buy a basic laptop and can explore the fields, create some projects and some work on it. And eventually after some time, if you are consistent enough and if you work hard on your things, you will eventually get this thing by your own earning. And that I can tell you for sure, because I have dreamed once that I will work on this machine, and today it is on my hands. So I can tell you that if you are consistent enough to go with your work and to go with whatever you like to do, eventually things will go the way you want it, and you will definitely get what you need. Now I will share with you guys that how I got my Mac with a great discount from a normal official store, and if you are thinking to buy it, how you can get it. So Apple runs this university program called a student discount program in all over the world. You can get amazing discount on the Apple product officially from the Apple store if you have an email ID provided from your college or university. So this normal Apple discount is not for a limited period. It's available on the student website of Apple for any time you want. If you have a valid student ID, you can get it. But there is this special offer which Apple launches all over the world. This offer is called as Back to University offer, which is available on the Apple store from July every year, and it lasts for maybe 2 months or maybe 2.5 months. So you can buy your Apple at that time and you will get an AirPods free. This time when I bought it, I got the AirPods free. Maybe next year you will get something, but it's amazing. You can get a good discount on your product, so do check it. So let's start the unboxing now, and firstly with the main guy, the MacBook Air. Most of you know, who have ever used an Apple product in the past, that Apple gives the best packaging and unboxing experience in the industry, and it was great for me as well. So first you get this wrap-packed box from Apple, and this box is completely sealed, and the logistics service which Apple uses in India to ship their products in Indian users is called as Blue Dart. So after opening this wrapping, there is this paper tip which is given to us, and we don't need any type of scissor or any type of cutter to open it. After ripping it, you will get your MacBook in front of you written as MacBook Air. After opening the box is again sealed with a plastic which is wrap packed by the company itself. The plastic has this pulled off portion from where you can pull off the plastic, and you don't need any kind of scissor or cutter to open it up. After opening it up, you will get the first experience of a MacBook. There is this seal to pull it off. After pulling it off, you will get a documentation from Apple with the Apple stickers present in it. You will get a charger and a charging cable to charge your MacBook. So I have brought a variant which has 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU and a 16-core neural engine, and I have customized the product with the 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD to make sure that it helps me with my work for long term. Now let's talk about M1 and the reason for which I bought this laptop. So most of you know that last year in October event of Apple have announced its new M1 chip, which is customly designed by Apple for their Macs. And before that they used to use Intel chips in their Macs, but to make the performance of the Macs to the next level and to make it the best industry standard performance laptop, they are now using their own custom chips in their Macs, and the first model of it is called as M1, first chip that Apple is using in their Macs, which is in ARM-based architecture, and it has 16 billion transistor pack into it with the 5nm technology to make it best leading experience that you can get, and performance that you can get from your Mac is the industry best chip till now according to Geekbench scores and other Antutu scores. Now let's unbox AirPods, which I got free with my Mac, but we can't miss the unboxing experience. So let's start. As you can see, it comes in a proper and secure packaging from Apple, and after you open it, you will directly get the AirPods box in front of you. After pulling it off, you will get your AirPods in front of you. So as you can see, I have engraved a text on it which says "Dream Big." So this is a free engraving service that Apple provides for the customers of iPad and AirPods. So as you can see, there are some documentations about it. After that, you will get a charging cable with it. And the charging cable is USB to Lightning. Now let's talk about some technical specifications of this AirPods. So these are second generation AirPods, which comes with this H1 chip, which is used to make it more faster and stable wireless connection, and it says that it is 2 times faster than their last generation AirPods. And because of this H1 chip in the second generation AirPods, it reduces the latency up to 30% than their last generation, and along with that you will get a great gesture and touch controls on your AirPods, which you can use to play, pause the music, or to talk with Siri. It is greatly helpful. Along with that, this AirPod has some great sensors inbuilt in it, and when you put your AirPods into your ear, this sensor recognizes that the AirPods are into your ear, and whatever you are watching or listening will be continued to play. But if you remove any one of the AirPods out from your ear, the music or anything you are playing automatically stops, and this is because of all the sensor inbuilt in this second generation AirPods, which makes it so easy to handle and so easy to use that you can keep it wearing for whole day. Now let's talk about battery backup. So Apple claims that the case of this AirPod can last up to 24 hours, and it can charge the buds up to 4 times, and on the single charge the earbuds can last up to 5 hours, which makes it more efficient and more easy to use.
And that's all about my MacBook Air and AirPods, and I hope you liked the video and enjoyed the unboxing experience with me. Thanks for watching this video, and please do like the video and comment below what's that one thing you liked about MacBook Air or maybe AirPods, and I will surely read it. And that's all from my side, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.